In this video, we shall do part B, and part B is asking the angle between the line MU and the plane MNPQ. So the first thing we do is we join M to U to get the line MU, that is the line MU. So we want to find the line, the angle between the line MU and the plane MNPQ, which is the base of this solid. For us to get the angle, we first of all identify the shadow of the line. This line MU, its shadow. Suppose we have a light here. The shadow will be formed on the plane MNPQ, and that shadow is the shadow of the line MU. And so in this case, the shadow of MU is the base, the diagonal of the base, which is MP. So the angle between the line MU and the plane MNPQ is the angle between the line MU and the shadow. This angle, let's call it angle theta. So that is the angle we want. It is formed between the line MU and the shadow MP. So the next thing we do is we join the tip of the line MU, which is U, and the tip of the shadow MP, which is P. So we join those two lines, those 2 points. Those 2 points meet an angle of 90 degrees. So for us to get the angle, we are supposed to use the triangle MPU. If we remove that triangle, that is the height, the base, and the hypotenuse, MPU. The PU is 15, and MP we calculated in part A, which is 14.14. So the angle we want is this angle theta. We are going to use the trigonometric ratios sine, cosine, and tangent, and we pick the one that suits us best. So we use a mnemonic called SOHCAHTOA, which means that SOH means sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. So the trigonometric ratio that suits us best is this one, tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite means the side opposite to this angle theta is side UP, which is 15, divided by the adjacent side, the side close to this angle, is MP, which is 14.14. So for us to get theta, we find the tan inverse of 15 divided by 14.14. So in the calculator, using a scientific calculator, we find first of all 15 over 14.14, and then find the inverse, the tan inverse of that angle. So when you take your calculator, first you find 15 divided by 14.14, and the answer is 1.0608. And then you press shift, you press tan, and the angle formed is the angle 46.69 to the nearest 2 decimal place according to the instruction of the question.